Well, hi there. I'm glad you could join me. Today, I'm going to be making some chicken cordon bleu. Yes, you heard me. Chicken cordon bleu. It's really very easy to make. It just sounds really fancy, but it's not. It's not really I think they made it sound fancy so that they could charge you more when you ordered it in a restaurant. But it's really very easy to make at home. You're going to need a couple chicken breasts. You're going to need some ham and some Swiss cheese, a little salt, a little pepper, some breadcrumbs. You're going to need some toothpicks. And that's it. That's all you're going to need. So let's get started. Okay, we're back. So what you want to do is you want to take your chicken breast, right? And actually, let me get another plate. It might make it a little bit easier. So you want to take your chicken breast and you just want to give it a nice pound. Okay, you want to flatten it out. Get it nice and flat. You see there? And we'll just set that aside. And we'll do the second one. Alrighty. And that one's been flattened. See how easy that was? Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take your chicken breast. You want to salt and pepper it on both sides. Turn this over. My cat wants to help me with the cooking. I just had to shoo him out of the kitchen because he's not really a big help. He's more of a pain in the butt than he is a big help. All right, so then what you do is you take, this is really simple. You take, some pieces of ham, just like so. And you take a couple pieces of Swiss cheese, just like so. And then there's two. And then you roll it up. nice and tight. And you take your toothpick and you want to just tuck that in there, just like so. One on this side, just like so. And then you want to set into your pan. We'll do this one. Roll it up nice and tight. Then you want to take your toothpick, come over the other side. There you go. And you want to set that in your pan, just like so. Let me wash my hands and I'll come back to the next step. Now I like to drizzle with just a little bit of olive oil. Just a nice little drizzle. It's barely coming out. See? Okay. And then I like to take some breadcrumbs. We have Italian style breadcrumbs. And I just like to sprinkle the breadcrumbs over the top. Just like so. Get them all coated. And the bottom and the top. There we go. Get it all coated in there. Yep. Don't be afraid to throw some crumbs on there. Alrighty. We're going to cook this in the oven for 375, I think for about 40 minutes. So, I'll see you back then. Okay, it just came out of the oven, and what you want to do now is you want to take some Swiss cheese, and you just want to layer that on top, just like so. 2 more slices, 1 for each one. And then you want to put this back in the oven for another 5 minutes until the cheese melts. There you are, folks. It's probably a good idea at this point to let this rest for just a few minutes because it's still hot. And I'll get everything plated and I'll show you what else you can add along with this chicken cordon bleu. You're going to like this. It's good stuff. Okay, so let's give this a try. Before you cut into this, make sure you pull the toothpicks out of it. You don't want to bite into a toothpick. That would be not so good. Mmm. That's delicious. It's really delicious. It's really good. You can see I've also made a side of veggies and some rice. Mmm, very good. You know, this dish was actually very easy to make. It only took maybe 10 minutes of prep time, you know, to pound the chicken and to roll it up and get it prepared for the oven. The rest of the time was cooking. It's very easy. And it's very delicious too. Very, very tasty. So, if you're looking for new dinner ideas, here you go. Chicken cordon bleu. Yeah. I think you'll like this dish. I think you should try it. Anyway, that's it for me today, so be safe, be kind, be well. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.